in length for you in inseams. So you're either gonna do a, oh no, I don't, just the one, 23 inches. The one inseam fits most.
23.
Navy, and you get the bling on your right leg, back to white, back to red. You do what you want, either the same color on top and the same color on the bottom, or Blair grabbed the white, which would go with all three of them.
Absolutely adorable and fun. Again, in our French terry, so it's a little bit beefier on the body because not everybody wants a thin material on the bottom half, you know. So this gives you that little bit of extra pull-on style, straight leg style, front
Oh, look how cute
pockets,
you are.
really, really adorable. And then that bling kissed on, Amy. So nothing poking through the fabric, bothering your skin.
Yes, and look when Blair walks by, like, wouldn't you just check out somebody twice? Like, oh my gosh, it's a cute outfit. Like, I'm always doing that when I see a woman who's well-dressed. And well-dressed doesn't have to mean you're in the finest of fashion. It means you're in personality. And you're in sparkle, and you're in fun. And Angel is not gonna mind if you don't wear the matching sweatshirt with these pants, and instead you take, you know, the 2-pack Kim Gravel t-shirts, or a plain Quacker t-shirt, or
and a little denim
something
jacket.
you love, and just wear it with the pant.
Absolutely, yes. Or maybe you're colder and you want something heavier right now while you're walking on, you know, I'm imagining the deck of the cruise ship. You know what I mean? At night when it gets really windy
I've never
and
been
stuff.
on a cruise. Does it get windy at night?
Depends on where you are.
Okay.
But yes.
Blair had a windy evening cruise.
Generally,
you had a windy evening cruise. Okay.
So
bring your warmer clothes.
So bring a little something if you're planning to tour the deck, and stay away from the railing.
Well, and I don't know about anybody else, but like even when I'm on vacation and I pack like nicer, taller, higher shoes or formal pieces, and I think at a cruise you have to go fancy sometimes. But like for me, I go into vacation mode. And French terry is a vacation mode. Like wake up and put French terry on. Hang out in the day wearing French terry. Don't bathe at night, throw on a hat, and wear the French terry to dinner.
No, I absolutely love it. And what's nice about this is you can roll it up, put it in a suitcase, have it, and wear it multiple times with maybe some of your t-shirts, as you said, with the sweatshirt at night when it's cool. I like this kind of a pant for lounging after we're done at the pool for the day. While we're in the room, maybe watching a little TV or something. I'll throw on an outfit like this to lounge.
Right, and I will tell you too, like again, mixed color combos. I love the idea of putting the white with the navy on the bottom. If the anchor is too big on the sweatshirt for you, the anchor is very, very subtle here in our crop pant. Maybe you try Quacker with the pant. They're on sale. They're $17. But to help you understand the fit, I do want to emphasize again, they are cropped. So they are meant to be a little higher than the ankle, coming in at 23 inches. Obviously, where they're going to land on your body really depends on your height. So if we can walk over to Blair. Angel, what height are you and what size do you have on?
I'm 5'8" and I'm wearing the size 1X.
And that, would you say, is like right above your ankle? Because I would.
Yeah, I would say mid-calf.
Mid-calf? Okay.
Basically.
And then Blair is 5'7", and you went with your extra small. And again, like really similar to where they're hitting on Angel. Now, some of our models are 5'10", so obviously they're going to be even more cropped. And I'm 5'2", and some of you might even be shorter than that. So maybe you'll show a little less ankle. But bottom line, they shouldn't be like dragging on the ground for many of us, and they shouldn't be to our knees on many of us either.
Absolutely. You know, and then as we're transitioning with the weather, you know, we definitely want pants that are shorter because just that little bit of difference makes you feel so much cooler. I know. For me, it's putting on the flip-flops and the short pants, and I'm like, okay, I can breathe now.
Well, it makes you feel right for the season.
Absolutely.
Like even if you were freezing, it feels wrong to put a turtleneck out of wool on in May and June, right?
It's true.
It sometimes feels weird, even if you don't love wearing shorts, to be in a full-length pant. So crop it up for that warm weather that we're hoping to get to. And if you do travel in the spring, I mean, this is perfect. But anchors, they're classic. Nautical will never go out of style. When warm weather hits, we love our anchors. So one more time, can we just kind of go off looking at that bling? Because that's what makes Quacker Quacker.
Really, absolutely. Do you want to go back over here?
Sure.
Or we can do it from here?
Blair, can I walk in front of you one more time? Thank you, lovely lady. Okay, navy, white, and lipstick red, and that adorable anchor. And by the way, I don't think we ever talked about wash. Inside out?
What does your card say?
Good question. Machine wash, tumble dry. Doesn't say turn inside out.
I would turn it inside out.
You would turn it inside out, though. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
So we see you at 2 a.m. tomorrow.
Yep.
But the whole day is all about National Quacker Day.
That's it. Thank you, my friend. Nice to see you.
We love you, Angel Smedley.
Thank you.